I can code a cat, I can code a bird. Now that I am learning to spell, I can code some words. I can code a cat, I can code a frog. If I make myself a swamp, I can code a bog. Scratch Junior, look what I can do. Hello class, I'm so excited that I can use the magic of video technology to be here with you today to show you the program we're going to be working on. We have for you in Scratch Junior a program called WordSnake. Now this was an idea that I got off of your bulletin board. So if we look, we've got a character, two characters. One character is the second part of a word, and the first character is this word snake that's holding letters that make that second part of the word. Let's hit the green flag and see what happens when we run this sample program. Now I'm going to stop it because it loops, and I'm going to hit the return to the beginning button. Now what we saw there was in the code, we see that it gets a little bit bigger because it didn't come out the right size when I made it. Then it goes over 9 and down 2. Now we can measure how far that is by turning on that grid button at the top. That's off, that's on. And that'll allow us to count how many spaces we want to go over and down. So we went over 9, down 2, and we waited for 10. That wait for 10 is really important because that gives you a chance to read the word mat. Then we went down 2 more and it became the word right, hat. Then we went down and we waited for 10 while we read hat. Then we went down 3 because the H and the R are a little bit further apart and it became rat. We waited for 10 while we read rat. Then it went down 2 more. Waited for 10, we read cat. And then that block says go all the way back to where things started, and we see that the piece, and then we see the red repeat sends all of the commands back to the beginning and runs them all again. So if we hit that green flag, we see that this will just keep going. Now, this is just the first screen. Are there other words that work like this that you know? We're going to create 3 more screens. So maybe we can think of some other words that have the same second part but different first letters. Maybe the first thing we'll do is we'll make a list of other words and word families that we could use this word snake strategy on. I hope you enjoy making this. I've got the sample code for you. It'll be on your iPads. And you can always come back to this video to check out how this works. Have fun. Go back to the beginning. Thanks.